So a few days ago, we got the big version 123 update for the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. Today, we got version 123 for the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Now, it was a huge update on the display glasses, and the one for these AI glasses is actually pretty good too. So I want to start off by reading out exactly what we're getting from the patch notes. Meta AI glasses now support snow sports. Get ready to hit the powder in style. Track your snowboarding, skiing, and après-ski adventures with real-time stats. Now, après-ski just means what you do after you go skiing. It's like you're hanging out, you're having drinks. It's sort of like happy hour, but with more puffer coats and fondue. So you get these directly on your AI glasses. Use Meta AI for real-time slope stats. Hear your speed, altitude, and run count. No more fumbling with gloves and gadgets. Auto capture snow sports. Your glasses will automatically capture video clips based on your favorite ascents, downhill descents, and other workout stats. Stay present. Ask Meta AI for real-time snow, lift, and trail conditions for resorts globally, so you can focus on carving turns and not checking your phone. So this is a pretty cool update for those of us who really enjoy skiing or snowboarding. A lot of the things that they've had available, like on the Oakley Vanguards, where it's got a lot of the sports statistics, you now have for winter sports on your regular Meta Ray-Ban glasses. So that's pretty exciting. I'm not huge into skiing or snowboarding. I kind of wish I were, but if I do end up getting into it, you better believe I'm definitely going to be using this feature. Next up, Early Access Program, new live translation languages. And to give you guys a heads up, the Early Access Program is something that you opt into to get features before other people. All you do is you go into your glasses, the settings, and then you click Early Access Program, and in there you can sign up for it, and it's going to show you all the different things that are in Early Access, such as conversation focus, among a few other things. So this is really exciting. Adding languages is really, really good. So the patch notes read, if you have joined the Early Access Program, you now enjoy live translations in even more languages: Hindi, Arabic, Russian, Swedish, and Finnish now available, and more to come gradually. These new languages don't require you to download a language pack in advance. Just select your preferred languages and start your session to hear translations in real time. Now, to me, this is absolutely massive. One of the big knocks on the Meta Ray-Ban glasses was that the translations, I believe there was only like 6 or 7 of them, and this almost doubles the amount of languages that you can use. My fiance, she's Hungarian, so I really can't wait until they add Hungarian to this so that I can use the translations with her and her family. But as of right now, any addition is a welcome addition, especially for those of you who have been waiting for some of these languages. This is an absolute great update and something that really excites me for the people out there who speak those languages. Next up, we have more natural conversations with Meta AI. You can chat more naturally with Meta AI. Just say, hey Meta, to start a conversation. Feel free to ask questions, interrupt at any time, or follow up with related questions to keep the conversation going. No need to repeat, hey Meta, each time. Enjoy seamless brainstorming for any occasion. With Meta AI, now more expressive and engaging than ever. Available on Meta Ray-Ban Metas and Oakley Meta HSTN in the US and Canada. So this is a really good update, and before, this is one of the features that were available in the Early Access Program. And what makes it really nice is before, anytime you wanted to ask it a question, you would have to say the wake word, hey Meta, And then if you wanted to ask it a follow-up question, you would have to say, hey, Meta again. Half the time it didn't remember the first thing you said. So this is a big advancement in the AI model that they're using. And if you notice, when you go to the updates in your glasses in the Meta AI app, there's now a place for the LLM, the Meta AI that's actually on your glasses. Right now it's at version 1.0. So it's really good to see that they're continuously updating the LLM, because for quite a while now, it's been really far behind things like Gemini and ChatGPT. And they have spent so much money at Meta hiring all of these top guns in AI. And I really can't wait to see the different features that they come up with in relation to smart glasses. So guys, this is the big new update. It's Meta version 123. That's what it is on the display glasses now. And it should be the same now across your Meta Ray-Ban Gen 1, Gen 2, your HSTNs. So some really good updates here. I think this is going to please a lot of people. If you don't use any of these features, it's not a big deal. But hey, the more that they add and the more that they're continuously updating the features and the functionality of these glasses, the better it's going to be for everybody. We've got some big releases coming from Samsung later this year, Apple perhaps later this year. So it's really good that this competition is really forcing Meta to do a lot more frequent updates on these glasses. And I really hope everybody out there enjoys it. If you like staying up to date on smart glasses, AR, XR, please hit like and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.